Today, we're going to learn how to make a smoothie. So what do I put in this amazing smoothie that I'm going to make? All right, so I use wild blueberries. Wild blueberries has an antioxidant profile that is far superior when it comes to the actual fruit realm. And so if you have a chance to do blueberries, great. If you have a chance to do wild blueberries, even better. And if you have a chance to do wild blueberries organic, you knocked it out of the park. But do what you can. Another one that I'll put in is raw honey. Make sure the honey is raw, because when it's not raw, what we do is we end up cooking out all the nutritional benefits of honey. So go to honey, make sure it's raw. And what honey does is honey starts to remove the antimicrobials. So stuff like if you get a little bit of a sore throat, raw honey. If you've got something that is, some sinus infection, raw honey. So really what you want to do is everything within your sinuses, in your mouth, all in your body, you want to remove those antimicrobials, the ones that are not helping you. So on another side, I go to protein. I work out, and so I want to make sure that I'm getting enough protein. Protein also helps at some point to make sure that you are getting all of your nutrients. So I use a pea-based protein. I use a veggie protein. And why do I use a veggie protein? So protein can be done as a whey-based, but it has been known that whey protein actually, it's milk, so I don't drink milk. And on another side, whey protein becomes MSG when it's produced, so a monosodium glutamate. And you don't want that, so it's a toxin. So really, pea-based protein gets me all my branched chain amino acids, the BCAAs that you want to achieve, and it supplies all of that for me for doing that. So pea-based protein. I also add glutamine powder to it for an extra amino acid to help my cellular structure. I put nettle leaf in. Because of what I have, nettle leaf has been known to regrow the nerves within the brain. And so they've seen studies on it, and it helps with that. I also add parsley. It removes aluminum out of your system. Carrots, because I had them in the fridge. And banana, because why not? And our celery stalk. So let's go ahead and make this up. Okay, here it is, all the ingredients mixed together. So let me see if I can show you this. So this is, you're gonna see, I poured water in as my liquid because you do need to do that. Make sure the water has been filtered or in some way had run through like a Brita or something similar. So carrots are in there, my blueberries are in there, my pea protein's in there, my honey's in there. You can see it right on top. And let's see if I can give you a view from up here. God, that looks good, doesn't it? Like you just want to drink it. I'm kidding. It really doesn't look good. But when we get it all mixed together, it actually does taste really good, and it's a good breakfast. So let's go ahead and blend this sucker up. Show you what it looks like. Okay, all blended up. It just looks blue. And it looks like a blueberry concoction. So you may be asking, how did I choose the vegetables that went into here? It really is what was available in my refrigerator. All right, so I use a pint glass for my favorite beer or a smoothie. Okay, this is it. This is me experimenting with my smoothie. Let's see how it goes. Oh, that's actually really good. So you can taste the honey, you can taste the blueberries, the banana. You get a little bit of the parsley, but not strong at all, almost unrecognizable. So really when you go into it, putting smoothies together like this is just an experiment. Have fun experimenting with it.